Okay, I'm trying to get this done before my battery goes dead. I just got back out of the woods and I just started been using these, and I think they're really gonna help anybody in cold weather. And that's these hot hands body warmers. So I got my base layer on right here, and I take one of these, and I stick it right here. I suck it right on my chest. I mean, you can put one on your back too. And when you get that chill, you know, it was 38 degrees, wasn't bad, it was a little windy. So it made it a little brisk, made it a little nippy, but not real bad. I was pretty good and bundled up. But I put this on here whenever you get that little chill or anything like that. I can tell you that that really worked. That really worked. You know, it gets better. And you don't shake it. You don't do all kind of stuff. You basically just put it, take it right out, take the sticky part and put it right on your chest. And it worked today, you know. When it gets really, really cold, you know, I didn't even have hot hands today. My gloves were pretty good, but usually I'll have like hot hands in my pockets. But I think that's the second time that I use these, and they really kind of work. So if you're going to be outside all day working, anything, if you're going to be out hunting, sitting in the stand, this might keep you in the stand a little bit longer if it's really, really cold. So I would give them a try. All right. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe.